Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. AI has been the buzzword for a while now, and for good reason. It's not just sci-fi fantasy anymore. It's really changing the game in ways we couldn't have imagined. From self-driving cars that practically navigate themselves to algorithms that write their own code, the future is closer than we think. We've got some mind-blowing advancements to unpack, so buckle up. Over the next few minutes, we're going to dive deep into the top 10 recent AI breakthroughs that are already making waves across industries. We're talking next-level language processing, mind-bending image generation, and even AI that can debate with humans. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So grab your favorite tech gadget, get comfortable, and let's explore the fascinating world of AI together. First up, we're kicking things off with a big one, GPT-4. You might have heard of its predecessor, GPT-3, which was already making headlines for its impressive language skills. But GPT-4, it takes things to a whole new level. We're talking about an AI that doesn't just understand human language, but can also generate it with incredible fluency and coherence. It's like having a super-powered writing assistant that can compose anything from poems and code to scripts and even music. What's even more impressive is that GPT-4 can adapt its writing style to different contexts. Need a formal email drafted? GPT-4's got you. How about a catchy script for your next YouTube video? Yeah, it can do that too. This level of language understanding and generation has massive implications for various fields, from customer service and education to entertainment and even scientific research. Now, while GPT-4 might seem like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, it's important to remember that it's still a tool. It's not about replacing human creativity, but rather augmenting it. Think of GPT-4 as a creative partner that can help us push the boundaries of what's possible with language. It can help us overcome writer's block, explore new ideas, and even break down language barriers. The potential applications here are truly mind-boggling. Imagine personalized learning experiences tailored to your specific learning style, or AI-powered translation tools that can accurately convey the nuances of different languages. GPT-4 is a powerful example of how AI can be used to unlock new possibilities and empower humans in countless ways. Moving on from the world of language, let's dive into the realm of biology, where another AI breakthrough is making waves: AlphaFold. Developed by DeepMind, AlphaFold is tackling one of the biggest challenges in biology: protein folding. Proteins are the building blocks of life, and their three-dimensional structures determine their functions. But figuring out these structures experimentally is incredibly time-consuming and expensive. This is where AlphaFold comes in. Using deep learning algorithms, AlphaFold can predict protein structures with remarkable accuracy, often surpassing experimental methods. This is a game-changer for drug discovery, disease understanding, and even materials science. Imagine being able to design new drugs from scratch that target specific proteins, or develop new materials with enhanced properties, all thanks to AI's ability to crack the protein folding code. All right, moving on to number 3, we have DALL-E 2. Now this one's pretty mind-blowing. Imagine typing in a description, any description, like a cat wearing a tiny top hat riding a unicycle on Mars, and boom, DALL-E 2 creates a photorealistic image of exactly that. This isn't just some simple image manipulation. We're talking about AI understanding concepts, styles, and even generating completely original imagery based on your input. It's like having a super-powered graphic designer at your fingertips, except this one works 24/7 and never needs a coffee break. The implications for creative fields are huge. Imagine designers using this to rapidly prototype ideas, artists exploring new styles, or filmmakers creating entire worlds with just a few lines of text. It's crazy to think where this technology could go. But one thing's for sure, DALL-E 2 is a major leap forward in AI-powered creativity. And it's not just about the crazy, surreal stuff either. DALL-E 2 can generate photorealistic images, paintings in the style of famous artists, and even photorealistic edits to existing images, all from just a text description. From the digital canvas, we shift gears to the open road with Tesla's full self-driving beta. This technology represents a significant leap forward in the realm of autonomous vehicles, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Now, I know self-driving cars have been a hot topic for a while, but Tesla's approach is different. They are not just adding features, they are redefining the entire driving experience. They're not just aiming for level 3 autonomy, where the car can handle some driving tasks under specific conditions like highway driving or parking. They're going straight for level 5. Full automation, no driver intervention required. This means the car can handle all driving tasks in any environment, under any conditions. Now, this is still in beta, and it's important to remember that. The technology is not yet perfect and requires constant monitoring and updates. But the progress Tesla has made is undeniable. Each update brings us closer to a future where cars can drive themselves with complete reliability. Their system relies on a network of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and a powerful onboard computer to perceive the environment and make driving decisions in real time. This intricate web of technology works seamlessly to ensure safety and efficiency. We've all seen the videos of Teslas navigating complex intersections, changing lanes, and even parking themselves, all without any human input. These demonstrations showcase the potential of autonomous driving. It's pretty wild to see. The reactions from people witnessing these feats for the first time are a mix of amazement and disbelief. The system is constantly learning from the massive amount of data collected from Tesla vehicles on the road, improving its ability to handle different driving scenarios and edge cases. This continuous learning process is what sets Tesla apart. But it's not just about the tech itself, it's about the potential impact on our lives. Autonomous driving could revolutionize the way we think about transportation. Imagine a future where commutes are stress-free, traffic accidents are drastically reduced, and transportation is accessible to everyone, regardless of physical limitations. This could lead to a more inclusive and safer society. That's the promise of full self-driving, and Tesla is leading the charge. They are not just creating a product, they are paving the way for a new era in mobility. All right, let's switch gears again and talk about something that might just change the way we interact with computers: Open AI Codex. Now imagine this. You're building a website and you need a specific JavaScript function, but you can't quite remember the syntax. Instead of scouring through documentation or Stack Overflow, you simply type out what you want the function to do in plain English, and bam, Codex writes the code for you. That's the power of Open AI Codex. It's an AI system that can understand and generate code in multiple programming languages, all from natural language instructions. It's like having a super-powered coding assistant that can translate your thoughts into functional code. This isn't just some parlor trick either. Codex has been trained on a massive dataset of code and text, allowing it to grasp the nuances of programming languages and generate code that's not only functional, but also efficient and well-structured. Think about the implications for both seasoned developers and aspiring coders. It could significantly speed up development workflows, automate repetitive coding tasks, and even make programming more accessible to people who don't have years of experience. All right, so we've talked about AI that can write, drive, and even fold proteins, but what about AI that can game? And I'm not just talking about playing Candy Crush, I'm talking about mastering complex strategy games like StarCraft 2. That's where DeepMind's Alphastar comes in. This AI has been making waves in the gaming world, showcasing some seriously impressive skills. We're talking about going head-to-head with professional StarCraft 2 players and winning. Now, StarCraft 2 is no walk in the park. It's a real-time strategy game that requires quick thinking, long-term planning, and the ability to adapt to your opponent's moves. Alphastar has shown it can handle all of that and more. It's a testament to how far AI has come in terms of strategic thinking and decision-making. This isn't just about AI conquering the gaming world, though. The tech behind Alphastar has the potential to be applied to real-world problems that require similar skills. Think about optimizing traffic flow in a city, managing complex logistics for a company, or even assisting with scientific research. We've all been in arguments where we wish we had the perfect comeback, the most convincing evidence, or just the ability to articulate our thoughts more clearly. Well, imagine an AI that could do all of that and more. That's essentially what IBM has created with Project Debater. It's an AI system specifically designed to engage in live public debates with human opponents. And it's not just spitting out pre-programmed responses. Project Debater analyzes massive datasets of text and audio to understand the nuances of human language, identify key arguments, and even detect emotional cues in its opponent's voice. It then uses this information to formulate its own arguments, deliver them in a clear and persuasive manner, and even rebut its opponent's points in real time. It's like having a superpowered debate coach right there with you, analyzing every word and crafting the perfect response. We've all interacted with chatbots and virtual assistants, but Google's Lambda is taking conversational AI to a whole new level. This isn't just about setting alarms or getting directions. Lambda is designed to engage in open-ended, multi-turn conversations that feel incredibly natural and engaging. What sets Lambda apart is its ability to understand the context of a conversation and respond in a way that's both relevant and informative. It can even crack jokes, tell stories, and discuss abstract concepts, all while sounding surprisingly human. This is made possible by Lambda's massive neural network, which has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows it to generate human-like text, understand complex concepts, and even adapt its communication style to match the person it's talking to. It's like having a conversation with someone who has access to all the information in the world and can communicate it in a way that's both engaging and easy to understand. All right, so we've talked about some seriously impressive AI models and systems, but none of that would be possible without the raw computing power behind them. The sheer magnitude of computational resources required is staggering. That's where Facebook's AI Research Supercluster, or RSC for short, comes in. This facility is a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. This thing is a beast, and it's designed specifically to push the boundaries of AI research. It's not just about having more servers, it's about having the right kind of servers optimized for AI workloads. We're talking about a massive network of servers, interconnected and working together to crunch data and train AI models at speeds we've never seen before. The level of coordination and efficiency here is unprecedented. Imagine a data center filled with thousands of high-end GPUs, all linked together to form one giant AI brain. These GPUs are the workhorses of modern AI, capable of performing billions of calculations per second. That's the kind of scale we're dealing with here. It's like having an army of supercomputers at your disposal. Now, why is this such a big deal? The ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently is crucial for advancing AI. Well, training these large language models, generating photorealistic images, and creating complex simulations and mastering complex games requires a ridiculous amount of processing power. The computational demands are off the charts. The RSC is designed to handle all of that and then some, providing the necessary infrastructure to support cutting-edge research, enabling researchers to tackle even more ambitious AI projects. This opens up new possibilities for innovation and discovery. Think about it this way. If you want to train an AI model that can understand and translate hundreds of languages, you need immense computational resources. Generate realistic videos from text prompts, which involves complex algorithms and massive data sets, or even design entirely new proteins, which could revolutionize medicine and biotechnology. You need a system like the RSC. It's not just a tool, it's a catalyst for groundbreaking research. It's like the ultimate AI playground, where the only limit is your imagination. And it's helping to accelerate the pace of innovation in the field. The future of AI is being shaped here, one breakthrough at a time. Remember when we talked about DALL-E 2 and its ability to generate images from text descriptions? It was a groundbreaking innovation that opened up new possibilities for creativity. Well, Nvidia's Gorgan 2 takes that concept to a whole new level, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do in the realm of visual art. This AI model is all about turning your rough sketches and doodles into photorealistic masterpieces. Imagine the power of transforming a simple idea into a stunning visual with just a few strokes. You don't need to be an artist, you don't need fancy software, just your imagination and a few simple strokes. It's democratizing art creation, making it accessible to everyone. Think of it like this. You draw a stick figure on a landscape, maybe add a squiggly line for a river and a circle for the sun. These basic elements are all you need to start. Gorgan 2 takes those basic shapes and transforms them into a stunning scene with realistic textures, lighting, and reflections. It's like magic happening right before your eyes. It's like having a professional artist at your fingertips, turning your wildest ideas into visual reality. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. But it's not just about creating pretty pictures. The applications of Gorgan 2 go far beyond that. Gorgan 2 is a powerful tool for artists, designers, and anyone who wants to visualize their ideas quickly and easily. It streamlines the creative process, saving time and effort. Architects can sketch out building concepts, bringing their visions to life with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Game developers can generate realistic environments, enhancing the gaming experience with lifelike details and immersive settings. And filmmakers can create storyboards that look like they're ripped straight from the movie. This can significantly improve the pre-production process. Gorgan 2 isn't just limited to static images, its capabilities extend to dynamic content as well. It can also generate videos and even 3D scenes, making it an incredibly versatile tool for all sorts of creative applications. Whether you're an artist, designer, architect, or filmmaker, Gorgan 2 can revolutionize the way you work. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 recent advances in artificial intelligence that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From language understanding and image generation to protein folding and autonomous driving, AI is rapidly transforming the world around us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you next time.